how to fix the Facebook story music not showing, keep loading, or not working problem on your iPhone. No worries, here's the advanced guide on how to solve the story music problem on Facebook. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before proceeding, make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. If not, open your browser or YouTube and check for loading issues. If the problem persists, move on to the next solution. Swipe down, enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, or you can switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you still have issues, try the next solution. Solution 2. Update your Facebook app. Open the App Store, search Facebook. If you find any updates available, then tap on Updates. Now open the Facebook app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have the issue, then try our next solution. Solution 3. Offload the Facebook app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Facebook app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve the Facebook story music not working problem on iPhone. If you have any questions, then please write them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.